Let's take a look at using while loops in the editor.
In our first example, we want Tracy to draw circles starting at radius 10, where each circle's radius is 10 pixels larger than the one before. We want Tracy to stop drawing circles once they will no longer fit on the canvas. The first thing we want to do is send Tracy to the starting position at the bottom middle of the canvas. So I'll write pen up, set position, 0, -200, pen down. And I want Tracy to draw circles that get larger, so I'll use a variable called radius to control this. Let's write this at the top of my code. So radius equals, and I want the first circle to have a radius of 10. I want to keep drawing circles until my radius variable reaches a value of 200, so I can use a while loop. I'll write while, and my condition will be radius is less than or equal to 200. Because this code will keep running only while this is true. So when the radius is not less than or equal to 200, the code will stop. Let's write circle radius indented in there. And I know the radius should be increasing by 10 on every repetition. So I'll write radius equals radius plus 10. Let's see how this works. Great. And if she's going too slow, you can always change your speed to make her move faster.
Use while loops to solve your next Tracy challenges.